Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a really common challenge: how to add a menu to your Wix mobile site. If you've noticed that your site's main navigation is missing or invisible when viewed on a phone, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Let's make sure your visitors can smoothly browse your site, no matter which device they're using. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to your Wix site in the Web Design Editor. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as the control room for your website. Now, since we're focusing on how your site looks on mobile devices, you'll want to select the option to switch to mobile view. You can usually find this at the top of the page. It might look like a little smartphone icon. Give that a click, and your site will immediately transform so you're seeing what visitors will see when they pull up your site on their phones. This is a crucial step because Wix allows you to edit your desktop and mobile layouts separately. Now, if when you're in mobile view, you notice there's no menu visible, don't panic. This happens more often than you'd think, and it's usually an easy fix. Here's what you'll do next. Look for the Menus and Pages section in your Wix editor, often on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that and then select your home page. This is typically the main entry point for your visitors. You'll see three little dots next to the home page option. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down, select Mobile Settings. At this point, pause for a second. It might look a bit confusing if you've never dug into this menu before. Don't let it intimidate you. Look for an option labeled Standard. Clicking Standard sets your home page up with Wix's default mobile settings, which usually restores essential elements like your menu. On the other hand, maybe the settings are already set to Standard and your menu just isn't showing up yet. That's okay. There's one more thing to check. In the mobile settings, you might see an option called Hidden on Mobile. Sometimes, menu elements get accidentally hidden. It could happen during a design tweak or if you removed something by mistake. So click on Hidden on Mobile. And if you spot your menu listed there, click Show Menu. Sometimes this button is a lifesaver. One quick click and your menu jumps back onto your mobile layout. Now, occasionally, if the menu is still not appearing, there's a possibility it was actually deleted. If that's the case, you'll need to add a new menu element from Wix's toolset. Don't worry if you're not sure how to do this. Wix makes it super simple. Just look for the Add button, select Menu, and drag it onto your mobile page. Give it a moment to load if it's a little slow, and then you can position your new menu wherever you want. And that's it. With these steps, you've got everything you need to make sure your site visitors can navigate confidently on their phones. If anything feels confusing, just take it slow. It's perfectly normal for these settings to be a little tricky the first time around. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. See you next time.